What's up, guys? I am here at Hilda's Organic You Pick Blueberry and Tomato Farm in Hood River, Oregon. So we are going to be out here gardening for a little bit, getting as many blueberries and tomatoes as we can possibly get. It just opened today for everyone to come pick. So we get first dibs, which is really exciting. It is a little bit overcast, so not super hot, but I do feel like I'm sweating a little bit. We've got a couple of buckets that we're gonna fill up. I will show you and then see if you can guess about how many pounds we've got, but I wanna go ahead and take enough, at least blueberries home, that I can freeze some and make them last a couple months. And then also Noodle's gonna want some too. Today I am Farmer Lexa. A cucumber out of here, and this is new for me. I didn't realize they were so prickly. Look at them down there. I feel like it'd be kind of fun to be a cucumber down here. I don't know if he's ready. They're so prickly. I didn't realize how prickly they were. But this one, oh yeah. Just pull them off. Dang, that's a good one. They are so prickly though. Is that normal?
Yeah. It's normal. And then they go through all the processing and it gets, you know, tumbled off.
I guess, yeah, if you can just rub it off.
Yeah, you just rub it off.
That's cool. I want one of these and I want a bunch of tomatoes and a bunch of blueberries.
Oh my.
Interesting. I was thinking it was going to be pesticides. I was like, uh-oh. I don't feel like the tomatoes are quite as ready as the blueberries. Oh yeah, what is this?
I don't know.
I think these are tomatoes.
Try
I just got some of these.
Try one.
But I don't think they're ready. That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. You're in heaven.
Pretty, it's so good. Look at these.
What is it?
Touched him and he's got a grasshopper. He doesn't even care. Yum, I love tomatoes. Growing up, I said that my favorite food was a tomato. I stand by that. Yum.
Really purple.
Yeah, they're like vibrant.
They're gonna be all purple and then a little bit of red.
Oh, I have a non-ripe one then. These really gorgeous ones are called indigo cherry drops. We've got quite a few. Look how pretty they are. You can tell there's just so many of these pear ones. They're everywhere. Look, a big one.
What?
These are big ones. These are, wow, they're big. They're so ready, they're splitting. Look how pretty these like red ones are. Dark red ones. They're so pretty. Why are these so pretty? They're so pretty! We are very independent. We can literally do whatever we want. We've got a ton of blueberries, and like I said, it just opened today, so we get first dibs. And I did taste one, and they're so good. Wow, oh my gosh. So I've got my bucket, and then look at these. Just this entire plant is just ready to go. And we've just got plants on plants on plants. It's such a good day to be outside harvesting things. And I was thinking about it. I think there is a version of me that owns a greenhouse and like a small farm. Like this is too big. This is too big for just me, but like a small piece of property with some berries and some trees and tomatoes. I think there's a version of me out there that will have that. Just the beginning of Farmer Lex. I'm so excited about these blueberries. They're so cute, my little babies. This is fun. On to the next one. So we got plants with some smaller berries. I don't know which ones I prefer, so I'm just gonna get a healthy mix of both. Mom, there are birds. There are birds coming in. The bird came down and just grabbed something. What a fun place to be a bird. Like, imagine. This is so pretty. And so, well, quiet except for they're harvesting something over there. Oh my gosh, this entire like cluster right here. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I can pull. I lost a couple. Oh my gosh, I am all pollen-y. My fingers have pollen. I've got pollen all over my fingers. That's awesome. I'm pollen-y. Yeah. That's cool. So good for me. Let's just appreciate the colors. Like especially these. So pretty. I just think this is the prettiest thing ever. With all these colors.
That I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to. So it's sad because if it's more and more and more fire danger days. Since the 70s, we've got 70 more fire danger days.
Wow.
So
70
so you're
more, wow.
heat and smoke right now.
Yeah.
And it rarely has gotten to the old normal temperature all summer, and so it's finally going to do it next week just for a little bit. Hold on to the blueberries. You know, like I picked 2 years worth of blueberries for my son, and I put it in freezer. I'm going to bring it up to him soon, because we just don't know
in
how
2
much
years
longer
what it's
we'll
gonna
be
be.
able to grow things. You know, like this year it was finally everything went in my favor, but then it was so hot, it was too hot for people to come and pick. So so the cherries just kind of died. I'm trying to be upbeat for your little
You can be,
thing.
be honest. People like real. I am very strictly organic, and it's really hard to find farms, especially you pick farms that are organic. So you are like a really big hit on Google. This is our haul. We are going home with a bag of the most gorgeous tomatoes I've ever seen in my life. And then in here we've got our 4 cucumbers. If there was a way to store these better, I would get way more, but these are nice. This is my favorite part. How many pounds was this?
3?
3 pounds of blueberries. All organic. That was a successful day at the farm. I could do that every day, maybe. Maybe not like all day, every day.
What?
Be outside farming, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, if you had a little garden.
Yeah. Like a little greenhouse garden. I'm excited. I just want to eat some now. Let me take like a little. Where's that Tupperware?
Right here.
It's kind of dirty.